Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. In the spirit of trying to keep things simple, I put together this beefy mac and cheese that'll knock your socks off. Yeah, well anyway, just a few simple ingredients, incredibly good, great midweek meal, and believe me, it is cheesy and it is beefy. Simply have to make this, so let me show you how to do it. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is boil up some water, so it's just like the Mediterranean where you float on your belly.
Then we're gonna add in 2 cups of macaroni noodles. I guess they don't have to be macaroni, they can be the noodle of your choice. And we'll just cook these up for about 9 or 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are al dente.
After about 8 or 10 minutes, we're nicely done here, guys. So I'm just gonna give this a drain in the old colander. And you don't wanna rinse this or anything, just go ahead and drain it, because we want a bit of liquid left in here.
Next up, we're going to add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Throw in a pound of medium ground beef. And we'll just go ahead and break this down and stir it up over medium-high heat until it becomes nicely browned. Now, I got a lot of water and fat off this. Not sure what that's about. I guess typically Walmart. So I went ahead and drained this off. Next up, we're going to add in half a small chopped onion. 3 cloves of chopped garlic. You know me and my garlic. Season this up with the old saltation. I guess about a teaspoon. Same amount of ground black pepper, another teaspoon or 2. I don't know about you, but this is by far one of my all-time favorite seasonings. Good old ground black pepper. Throw in another of my favorite seasonings, some Italian seasoning. I just love this stuff too. Now we shall just stir everything around. Notice I shoved the beef to one side of the pan to put the onion and garlic in. That usually works well. Alrighty then, now it is time to add in those drained macaroni noodles. And you kind of want them evenly spread, something like this. Grab up some old sharp cheddar cheese and go ahead and add that in.
Now I'm using an old sharp cheddar here, guys. You know, it's my favorite cheese, the one I really like. But you can add, I'm going to add lots of it too, but you can add as much cheese or as little as you want and use different cheeses. I mean, you use a Tex-Mex, you know, a Velveeta that we have here in Canada, whatever you like. But I'm going to stick, just to keep it simple, with the old sharp cheddar.
A few good splashes of milk, I'd say, I don't know, about 1/3 of a cup, depending on how creamy you want it. Once again, a stirring and a mixing we will go. And to me, I don't know about you, but this is looking a tad bit dry, so I'm going to add in a little more milk. Okay guys, I'm just going to dig in and give this a taste here.
Really good, but I'm going to add a bit more cheese and maybe a little bit more pepper, but it's coming, it's good.
And just look at this, guys. In my humble old opinion, it is looking pretty good. And just look at this roll off the spoon. Yes, indeedy. Go ahead and plate this up, and I'm just gonna heap it on the plate. Oh, wow. Lots and lots and lots of beefy mac and cheese. And as always, to make it all pretty like, I'm gonna put some chopped parsley over the top. And that's pretty much it, my friends. I told you it was ever so simple. Our beefy mac and cheese, or beefy noodles and cheese, whatever you want to call it. But it is going to be absolutely fantastic. As a matter of fact, I know it's fantastic. But you know, the proof is in the pudding. Or shall I say the mac and cheese.
Okay guys, I'm just going to dig in and give this a taste here. Wow, amazing. You know, a few simple ingredients, a bit of time, and put together something as yummy as this. It's cheesy. I just love the onion, the garlic, the Italian seasoning. Noodles are cooked perfectly, so good. You gotta make this. Just go ahead and make it. And if you do, let me know in the comment section below what you think. And if you're so inclined, give us a like, because it does help the channel out. But thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. And see you next time. Of course, I'm gonna have more. That's just good.